wireless comm. So when we talk about wireless communication, we're talking about what? What type of media? Huh? What type of media? Media. Channel. You don't know? There are only 3 types of media, right? You have the wired, two types. We have the wired and the wireless. The wired has metallic and what? Metallic and fiber optic. And the other one is air. So we're talking about the channel medium or medium na air. So we are always talking about radio frequency. Okay? So yan yung pag-uusapan lang natin. Paano ipapadala, anong klase, ano yung mga ano yung theory on that thing, yun yung pag-uusapan. Pag sa ECE Elective 1. So meron pang mas mas detailed yung susunod. That will be satellite and what do you call this one? Satellite and cellular system. That will be ECE Elective 2. Okay, so dito, more on fundamentals for wireless communication. Are we good? Okay, so what are we going to do? Normally, yung pinakadulo natin is ano ang tawag yun? Pagkakalimutan ito. Yung LOS. Do you know what is LOS? What is LOS? Line of sight. Saan nyo nakarinig yung line of sight? Pag radio communication. Normally, you will see a tower, normally line of sight. So, when we talk about backbone, there are 2 types of backbone para sa telephony. One is fiber optic backbone or the wired backbone, and the other one is the radio backbone. So tayo, pag-uusapan natin is radio backbone. Ano ba ibig sabihin ng backbone? Anyone? Anong ginagawa sa inyo when we talk about your backbone? Pag wala yung backbone nyo, makakatayo ba kayo? Hindi. Ganun din yung telephony. Kung wala yung backbone nila, wala yung wired at saka wireless backbone nila, hindi sila magkakaroon ng interconnection. Your brain cannot function without your feet cannot function without your brain. So ganun yung ginagawa ng backbone natin. So yun yung gagawin. So at the end of this semester, you're going to submit a computation, a design of a radio backbone. Naintindihan niyo ako? What is a radio backbone? For example, from Cabanatuan going to La Union. Okay, from Cabanatuan going to La Union, meron yung radio backbone, yung inyong telephony. Tama? So for example, what is the highest peak here in Nueva Ecija? It's Quiapo. Am I right? So from Cabanatuan going to Quiapo, may isa yung connection. From Quiapo going to Pangasinan, may isa uling connection. And from Pangasinan going to La Union, merong isang connection. Ilang hap ngayon to? We have 1, 2, 3 hap connection. Are we good? And sometimes, for example, you have here your Baguio. You could also have another link on that one for redundancy purposes. What is a redundancy anyway? Pag redundancy meaning there is another way around on your system. So meron kang pupuntahan. Pag, halimbawa, naputol ito, meron ka pang link dito, pwede kang dito dumaan. Okay, good? So that's how. So ang gagawin natin, you're going to design, ito ang i-design natin. You're going to design this area. Kung paano ito tatakbo. Okay? Kung gaano kalakas yung power na kailangan para makarating dun sa kabilang dulo yung signal. Why? Bakit? Ba't kailangan i-compute yung power? Because there is a attenuation for transmission. So meaning to say, pag nagpadala ka ng signal from one place, from A to B, there's a tendency that signal or power will drop. Kasi yung air may particles, right? So pag may particles, pag nagpadala ka doon, ano mangyari? There's a tendency na bumagsak yung signal mo. Kaya kinukompute yung power within this area in order for you to get your signal from point A to point D. A, B, C, D. Are we good? So ito yung gagawin nyo at the end of the semester. So that is the objective. Matuto kayong matuto kayong mag-design ng microwave communication. What is a microwave communication? Anyone? That is a branch of wireless comm. Diba? Pag nag-Bluetooth ka ba, wireless yan? Yes or no? Pag nag-Wi-Fi ka ba, wireless yan? Yes or no? So, ibig sabihin, may iba-ibang klase ng wireless communication. Depende saan? Depende sa frequency ginagamit. Is broadcast a wireless communication? FM broadcast, I mean. What is an FM? FM station, radio station. AM radio station. Is it a broadcast? Is it a wireless communication? Yes. These are all wireless communication. But they vary on the frequency they were using. Are we good? Okay. So, yun lang pag-uusapan natin. So, pagdating sa dulo, dapat lahat kayo marunong mag-design. Okay. Paano gagawin yun, sir? For example, gagawa kayo ng elevation. Ano po ba yung elevation, sir? From Kabanatuan, going to Quiapo, for example. Normally, ang elevation ng Kabanatuan ay flat. Tama? Pero pagdating doon sa Quiapo, biglang aakyat. And then, bababa sa Pangasinan. Tama ba? So, normally, when you do a design, you're going to look for a highest elevation. Why? Kasi, sabi ko sa inyo nung una, line of sight kayo. Kung malalagay ako dito, plus lalagay ako dito, do you still have your line of sight here? No, because the elevation ng kuya ko is too high. It will block all your signal. Sir, bakit po sa Wi-Fi, kahit may mga pader-pader, okay lang? Tingin nyo bakit? Bakit okay lang pag may pader-pader? Kasi may mga frequency kaya tumagos sa pader, yung matataas na frequency. Pero yung mabababa, konti na frequency, hindi nila kaya tumagos. Okay yan? And then other than that, there are reflection. What is a reflection? Halimbawa, ito yung bahay mo. Hindi pa din dito, dito yung wifi mo. Ako lang pwedeng gumanon yung signal dyan, oo. Ganun pala yun. Naintindihan nyo ako? So magre-reflect yun, magbabounce yun sa bahay nyo. Pero makakarating, pero hindi na ganun ka lakas. Pero pag nandito ka, andun yung signal mo, ang lakas. Pero pag nandito ka sa bahay nyo, wala na halos. Bakit? Kasi konti na lang yung pumapasok. Are we good? So that is why, yan yun ang nangyayari. And normally, matataas ang frequency ginagamit pag Wi-Fi ang natin. Pero dito medyo mataas naman, mataas din naman. Kaya lang mas mataas yata yung sa Wi-Fi. I forgot the exact. Okay, so we're good with this. So ito yung pag-uusapan natin. So we're going to talk about mostly on microwave communication design. So this is your objective. So dapat pagdating sa dulo, marunong kayong mag-design ng microwave communication. Are we good? So normally, all your, what do you call this one? All your laboratory will be ending on this area. So from that, going to this one. So you're going to compute, you're going to select your, the first thing you're going to ask you is, you're going to select your, what do you call this one? Yung mga location na gagamitin nyo. Okay, from that location, I'm going to ask you to do an elevation test. Elevation test meaning to say, you're going to check on the elevation of each of your location. So you will be grouped into 3 members.
Okay.
Yeah. 3 members. Each one will be doing a pull 2-hop connection. What is a 2-hop connection? Meaning 1, 2. And then susunod sa iyo yung kabilang grupo. Susunod sa iyo yung kabilang grupo hanggang matapos kayo from north to south. So meaning to say, what's that? Okay, meaning to say, you're doing a microwave tap from north to south. So meaning to say, we can start from Batanes going to, what is the last ng south? Marinduque ba yun? O Masbate? Masbate is ano yata? Romblon yata. Something there. Kung saan man yun. Kung ano man yun. Okay? How many kaya? 20? 20? 20. Hindi naman kayo makapunod na. Ay, di ba 30 kayo dati? Dati. Ngayon, ano na lang. Okay, now, people. So, sa akin, 60% yung, ano natin? Anong pangalan natin dito? 60% yung, limutan ko tuloy. Performance task. 35% will be exam, and the rest will be recitation. In other words, mataas yung performance task. Normally, I grade your recitation every now and then. That is a performance task. For example, I need you to discuss this thing. You have to discuss to me each one of you. Kung saan umabot din yung dulo. Okay. So, what we're going to do is, next week, I'm going to ask you to read the history of wireless communication. Make sure that you know everything about wireless communication. I'm going to talk about everything from the history going onwards. Okay, so that will be a discussion. Anong book ang ginagamit mo, sir? Anong book ba ang gusto niyo? Blake or Tomasi? We have Blake, Tomasi, and what's the other one? I think we have 3 at least. So yung 3 book na yun yung normal na libro sa akin. Okay? So yung 3 book na yun yung normal. Pero the rest, meron pa rin. Because it is, sometimes I check for other references. Okay? So are we good? So the objective for next week is, what is your objective next week? To discuss history of wireless communication. So hanggang sa dulo, kung kaya niyong basahin. Okay? Are we good? So see you on. Question pala. Meron ba kayong question?
Nothing, sir.
Are you sure?
Me, I don't have.
How about the others? Book? Meron yata na-download na e-book ng ano isa? Hindi Tomasi. Yung Blake yata ang merong na-download na. Kaya lang hindi ko sure kung lahat yun may wireless. Iba kasi yung ng wireless book dun sa Blake eh. Parang nakahiwalay siya. Another parang another volume. Pa-check na lang ha. Okay. Question pa. Mahirap ka ba sir Hindi. Madali lang ako mag-exam. ABC lang. Okay? ABC. Kung isa sa isang problem, ABC yung tanong. And you need to give me your solution. Are we good? Okay. Babagsak ka ba? Yes. Babagsak ko. Specifically. Para alam lang na lahat, ha? Baka kasi in-expect nyo, hindi ako nagbabagsak ako. Okay? So that's it for now. Thank you very much. I have a meeting at 9 o'clock, 9:35 na, sorry. Anong gagawin nyo sa next week? Dito pa lang naman. So normally, I'm going to, wala pa masyado. Baka puro, muna tayo, discussion. Next week rather than, may, ang pangalan nito? May laboratory. So that's it for now. Thank you very much. May kakikuha yung attendance and let's have a prayer. Come on.